Speed on the water can be deceiving. What feels slow to you may be too fast for the conditions around you. Rule 6, safe speed, ensures that operators choose a speed that allows them to maneuver safely and stop when necessary. A safe speed is not a fixed number, it changes with conditions. Rule 6 requires that every vessel travel slowly enough to take effective action to avoid a collision and stop within a safe distance. What determines safe speed? Visibility, traffic density, background lighting, wind and sea conditions, your vessel's maneuverability, proximity to hazards, and the potential for other vessels to appear suddenly. Imagine you're operating at dusk. Navigation lights blend with shoreline lights. Reducing speed gives you more time to identify other vessels. Or picture a narrow channel with heavy traffic. Even if your boat can handle higher speeds, the environment cannot. Safe speed means adjusting to match the situation. In fog or rain, slowing down is essential. Reduced visibility gives you less time to react, and others less time to react to you. Operators should constantly reassess speed. Conditions can shift quickly with weather, vessel congestion, or lightning. Safe speed also changes if your vessel is towing, heavily loaded, or handling differently due to wind or current. A common rule in navigation: if you're unsure whether your speed is safe, slow down. Rule 6 is about responsibility and awareness. By choosing a speed appropriate for the conditions, you protect your passengers, other boaters, and yourself. Safe speed is smart boating.